Hey guys, what's up? It's a Lightspeed Cubing here. And so today, it's another Sunday Solves. And so today's cubes will be the pyramids and the 3 by 3. So it's another Sunday Solves, I guess. And well, let's just start the solves and stuff and whatever. So I'm using this new kind of like a feature thing so that I can just tell the audio after I start recording and stuff. So that's pretty good. And well, for now, it works pretty good, I guess. And let's talk about cubes. So the 3 by 3 went through some changes this time, like some setting changes and stuff. Actually, two changes. One of them was for once I took it to weak magnets and really strong tensions, and once which I'm doing now is strong magnets, a little bit weaker tensions, and just overall a little bit more lube, because before I put it bone dry. And this solve, as you can see over here, is actually my PB, new PB. And so new PB, so I guess it was good, right? But the average wasn't that good. You'll get to know later. Spoilers. And well, the so 3 by 3 went to that. I actually got a lot of PBs this week, many PBs. I think this is my third PB of the week. And what did I get? Oh yeah, like I'm getting sub 30 solves these days, sub 30 averages to be precise. This average didn't go that good, to be honest. This was like the worst average of the entire week, and that too it has to go online. Yay. And well, let's just check the next things. So my upload schedule. So my upload schedule has been kind of tight these days. It's been kind of like cramped. There's a lot of like stuff that is going on. So I can just make like alternate day videos. So that's a pretty good thing. So alternate day videos, I can just make those. And sorry if my cube can't be seen in every solve. Just a little bit of problem. And then like my upload schedule, alternate days. One day I record and do like half of the editing, and then second day I just complete the editing, export it, and then just keep it ready. I also keep the thumbnail ready, and then I can just upload it the very next day. So alternate day uploads, and I like that. It's a pretty good way to do it. And I actually have a 2x2 video on the standby for now, so I can just later post it. And well, I got a DNF in this solve, and my average was 32. Yeah, pretty bad. So 32 average and a DNF for a 34, kind of sad. So pyramids, I just found out that my pyramids had a wrong color scheme. Yep, slow clap. So if I want to fix it, I could fix it. I already have a plan how I can fix it. But what the problem is that the pyramids, I'll have to open the screws for that. And I don't want to mess around with the tensions. That's my only problem, like messing around with the tensions and stuff. It won't be good, I just say. And like the pyramids times were averaging pretty bad this time. Before, what I used to get, at least I recently only started practicing pyramids once again. I used to get about 10-11 averages. This went pretty bad, I'll say. And yeah, and something happened to my 2x2. The worst of it all. My 2x2's corner feet broke. My brother broke it. the corner's feet broke, and well, I'll have to order some spare parts and stuff, or I could just fix it with some glue or something. So yeah, I don't like pyramids that much. It's kind of like a side event. I love 2x2 because of its quickness, but the pyramids just, its solves were never consistent. Before I used to like pyramids a lot because of good solves coming once in a while, but nowadays I'm like, okay, I don't like that much. And yeah, I guess this is the last solve of pyramids. And well, it's a 16 second with a 15.147 average. And well, if you like this video, please be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and turn on the notifications so that you can be reminded of whenever I upload a new video or any other Sunday solve just like this one.